Hi there, I'm just going to very quickly show you the simplistic way we create forms within Kulea and the different options within a form banner. So I've just got a landing page here with a form in it. I can do that either by going to create and creating a form page from Kulea. Here you can see form page 2 and form page 1. Form page 1's got a bit more content in the template. Form page 2 is literally just a form and nothing else. But I've already created one here, so I'm just going to click on this one. Okay, this is a form section. The only thing we have is a form section. We've got this strapping young man as the background image. We use him by default. Let's just, I'm not going to bother sticking another image in there. What I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to stick some color. Do I like that blue? Eesh, that's vile. Okay, let's try grey. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. So it's nice. You could also put hex values in there. So if you want to put hex, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. It's a lighter shade of grey. No, it doesn't exist at all. There you go. Hex 1, 2, 3. Whoever knew that existed. All right. So by default, your form comes with an email field because we need emails. Emails are what binds Kulea. They are unique identifiers. They tie the form being submitted back to the contact record in your Kulea database. So by default, you will always have an email, and you will always have a form config block. A form config block is very important because from here you can do all sorts of cool things. You can change the background, as we just saw. You can change the name of the form, title, please submit. Put that in red. Please submit this urgent form. You can put additional information for known users and unknown users, or anonymous users, we like to call them unknown users. You can change the buttons for anonymous and unknown users. So you might say submit for name. Actually, that won't work because they're anonymous. We don't know who they are. That was a really bad idea. Okay, but if you're a known user, we could do that. So for known users, we could say submit for name. And you can have different thank you messages for when they complete their form, known users and unknown users. And you can configure the post-form completion actions. So you can send a notification to somebody. I'm going to notify myself when that form is completed. You can send a thank you email, which you can select from the emails that you built within Kulea. I've got one I've just built earlier called thank you. Very simple. And upon form completion, you can redirect them to a different page. There we go, let's send them to http://homepage.com. We've just introduced another feature which is quite powerful, which is the double opt-in settings. But we actually have a specific guide for double opt-in settings, so I'm not going to go into too much detail on how to use that one. Right now we're talking about form blocks. So that is your form config block. And then we're going to add some more form blocks to this field, to this form. So the first thing we do is we go into the edit section, because that's where you add the blocks. And then we're going to add some blocks. So you can see there's 4 types here. So this is our dev version. So you see that we don't have an icon on the multi-select list. Yours will have, and you won't have an icon on the hidden field because that's us just trying to be funny because it's hidden. All right, I'm going to add text field. Boom, text field. Nice and easy. What text field is that going to be? Well, let's make it forename. Now, I might know it's a forename, maps to forename, but we've got to tell Kulea where that maps to. So we're going to map that to forename. And you can make it optional. I'm going to make it compulsory, so I'm going to leave that blank, but if you select that one, it will then become an optional field. Okay, so that's that one configured. It really is that easy. I'm now going to add a hidden field. Now, hidden fields allow you to update the customer's contact record upon form submission, and they don't even have to fill out the details. So I might say, that somebody that fills out this particular form, let's just say it's a form that is only relevant to the manufacturing industry. So I'm going to update their type to manufacturing. Now, that form field is not going to appear over here in the form, but when they submit that form, it will update their type to manufacturing. So it's quite a useful hidden form to have. Go back again, add a drop-down list. Let's say country. I'm going to map this to, unsurprisingly, country. And then what values am I going to have in that drop-down list? Well, let's say UK, Sweden, Japan. You can see, actually tells you list of values separated by a semicolon. So if you want to add another one, just pop a semicolon in there, not a colon, semicolon, and put Norway. So you can build those up as well. And we'll have a look at that. But we're just going to add one more, and we're just going to add our multi-select list. We'll have an icon by the time you look at this. So this one, let's just say favorite colors. So the single select drop-down box we just did only allows you to select one option. This multi-select drop-down box, unsurprisingly, allows you to select multiple options. So do we have a favorite color? Yes, we do. Okay. Red, green, blue. There we go, and we have built a very simple form over here, guys. Let's preview that form, see what it looks like. There you go. Well, it's recognized me because this is a browser that I use all the time for playing with. So it's recognized my email as bobsbits@Kulea.ma. If I was to delete that, you can see it says your email compulsory. Pop that back in. My forename is not Java Hut, it's actually Andrew, so I'm going to update that one as we speak. My country is UK. And my favorite colors, let's say that I like green and red. I'm actually going to copy that as well. So I'm going to submit Java the Hut because it recognized me, so it's inserted my name there. And it's redirecting me now to, well, it's actually redirected me to reality101.com, who I assume own homepage.com. There we go. If I go now have a look at my customer record for Bob's Bits over here, you see that it's changed my name back to Andrew, no longer Java the Hut. You can see that my favorite colors are red and blue. Where's my and then my country is UK as I selected. So it's updated all my information there. If I go back to that page, there you go, and now it says submit Andrew. So again, it's remembered who I am. Okay, I hope that is nice and clear. Any questions, as always, just drop us a ticket, and we will do our best to come straight back to you. And hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you very much. Bye for now.